I've been telling agents for a while, look, if you're just getting by with the economy as strong as it's been and money running through the streets, if you're just doing okay as a real estate agent, you're going to be in trouble when the market turns, when those tides turn. So Warren Buffett has been quoted with a very famous statement that he said, "You never know who's swimming naked until the tide goes out." And as soon as that tide goes out, you can find out exactly who doesn't have any swimming trunks on, right? So if you're not covered up, if you don't have your business covered, if you don't know where you're supposed to be going, you've got to make some changes. So, hey, I hope you got a lot of value out of that training video, and we've got a lot more in store for you as well. I want you to subscribe to this channel so we can help you to grow your real estate business. There's nothing more important than generating more closings for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. What I want you to do is subscribe to this channel. If you don't have an account with YouTube, you can set one up for free right now. Just click the little button to set up an account. You can then subscribe to this channel, and then I want you to ring the bell. That's going to notify you every single time a new video is posted to help you in closing more real estate. Now, most importantly, I want you to check the description in this video that you're watching right now. Look down in that description. There's lots of specific training that you can do right now, totally free, to get you closing more real estate. Lots of great ideas, techniques, marketing tools that you can utilize. Check it out in the description right now, and we'll see you in the next video.